I thought today was a very interesting day in that anybody can get out into their driveways and wash a car. So we've all done that. I'm sure everyone watching this video knows that they can do that. But there's a way of doing it which is right, a way of doing it which is wrong. And if you just, someone's going to wash the car in the driveway, it doesn't make you a professional detailer. So today was something that I signed up for, which gives you the correct way of washing your car. And there's a right way and a wrong way. So we used the right procedures, and we used the right tools, and we used the right products. The instructors were excellent. They did a great job. They showed us the right way and the wrong way. So this is why I'm taking this course, because I want to be a professional car detailer.